first song is called Fanny Ray. We recently shot a music video for it. It was directed by Shamak Davar, choreographed by Homi Adajania, and we had to work very, very hard. You know, I mean, I've done.
Hey, shut up, man, Deepika. Hey, she's lying. Huh? She's fully lying. Hey, Homi, where we were harder on this film? We worked hard. We hardly worked. No? We worked
very hard. The hardest I've ever worked. And the most on choreography.
And we had the most amount of fun also.
That too.
Again, dancing style, I think we were given this freewheeling ability by our director and choreographer कि जो हमारे मन में हम गाना सुन के करें तो कोई dancing style नहीं था. We all just tried to have fun. जहाँ तक काम की बात की जाए, I think their work and body of work speaks for itself. They're fantastic actors. I think I speak on her behalf and Homi's that we are honored to that they agreed to be a part of this film. Yeah. They bring so much value, so much experience. And the command over the craft is tremendous. अपने काम को बहुत अच्छी तरह जानते हैं. And I think we have become better actors by just being in the same frame as all three of them.
Yeah. I don't think bold is the right word. I would say different. Even for me as an audience, when I look at the promo of Finding Fanny, I think it's very different from what one has been seeing on TV. And refreshing, different. Yeah.
I thought of the name Finding Fanny.
Who do you think?
Who?
Finding Fanny is the nickname of Stephanie. I mean, if I had, if it was a film called Finding Dick, I mean, I don't think. I mean, if they were looking for a guy called Richard and they said, let's make the film called Finding Dick, then you guys would have thought of it in that way. It's not like that. It's just a nickname, and maybe they'll have some issues with it in the UK and the US, but not in India and other places where we have pure thought.
I think as far as how much I have grown, I think you should ask someone like Homi who's worked with me in the capacity of a director. As far as the accent is concerned, it's actually something I really enjoyed with Fanny, because the film is set in Goa, and I got to speak my mother tongue in the film, which is Konkani. Goans do speak Konkani, we know that. So I got to experiment, improvise, but most importantly, it's a nice feeling when you have command over a language. Having said that, I think the first few days on set were very difficult, not just for me but for all of us. When you're an actor in a Hindi film, you're used to listening to yourself in Hindi and performing in Hindi and hearing yourself in Hindi. When you start doing the same thing in English, it just sounds different. So it takes a couple of days to get used to that. Yeah.
Deepika actually had no idea that Ranveer Singh was playing this cameo.
She had no idea I'm playing Savio also till she
yeah.
Nobody had no idea what's going on.
In this film.
He is the director of Cocktail.
No, I couldn't hear the question. I'm sorry. No, it was very easy. They're both thorough professionals. They have a very different approach to their acting, and they are brother-in-laws as well, brother and outlaws. But yeah, so they were just fabulous. They were fabulous in the same frame. It was a joy watching them. And since we are talking about these veterans, I must say I was extremely, extremely proud of Deepika and Arjun, considering the experience the other three have. They have gone pound for pound in this film, and I mean, they just hold their own in every scene with Nasir, Pankaj and Dimple. This is an English film, and we have done a Hindi dub with the cast themselves. So yeah, we shot it in English, and they've done a Hindi dub on it as well.
I think what's nice is it's a very simple story, but the tonality that he's selected and the interpretation that he has makes it unique. If he tells the story in 5 lines, it might seem like a very simple story, but he's gone about telling it in a very his own personal, unique way. He's gone for that, and I think that's what is nice about it. That's what I like personally about it. So the language is beyond a point. The language is not something that is ये नया है. It's not only the language कि हमने English में किया film इसलिए नई picture है. It is the way he's telling the story is new, and the way the characters are etched out, that is what is new in the simple story.
For more news and gossip, don't forget to subscribe to Bollywood Helpline.